You clicked this video because you want superhuman grip strength, not just stronger hands. The kind of grip where you can deadlift without straps, and your handshake makes people remember you. Here's the truth. Your grip is probably your weakest link, and it's holding back your strength. Today, we fix that. 5 exercises. That's it. Exercise 1, pinch grip. The first one looks stupidly easy until your hands start dying. This is pinch grip strength. Your thumb working directly against your fingers. Most people have never trained this. Elite grip athletes can hold 90 pounds using just their fingertips. Most people can't hold 20 pounds for more than a few seconds. Here's how you train it. Grab 2 weight plates. Press them together. Smooth sides facing out. No friction. No cheating. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. 3 to 5 sets per hand. Work up to 30 seconds, then add weight. Exercise 2, dead hangs. Now, let me ask you something. How long can you hold your own body weight with just your hands? There's a test used in special forces. You hang from a bar. That's it. Most people drop in under 30 seconds. The guys who pass, 2 to 4 minutes. This isn't about big muscles. It's about support grip. Grip doesn't fail on a single rep. It fails when time keeps ticking. Grab a pull-up bar and hang. 60 seconds is the goal. Do 3 to 5 sets. Hang until you physically cannot hold on anymore. Rest 2 minutes between sets. Exercise 3, towel training. There's an old boxing test that humbled everyone. They didn't use a bar. They used a towel. Throw a towel over a pull-up bar and grab both ends. Your hands can't fully close. Your grip gets exposed. Most people who can do 10 pull-ups suddenly struggle to hit 3 reps. Do towel pull-ups if you can. If not, do towel hangs and build up. Exercise 4, thick bar training. Here's something most people miss. Your hands get good at gripping only what you train with. Normal barbells are easy to close around, but thick bars? Completely different. Strong men use 2-inch axle bars, and their max drops instantly. Not because they're weak, but because grip does all the work. Train thick bars for a few weeks. Then go back to a normal bar. It'll feel like a pencil. Use axle bars or fat grips. Start at 70% of your normal weight. Train thick grip twice a week. Exercise 5, rice bucket, Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee had a secret weapon. A bucket of rice. Every day, he buried his hands in rice and moved them in every direction. Open, close, twist, spread, rotate. Your hands aren't just designed to crush. They're designed to move. Fill a bucket with uncooked rice. Train for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. After 2 weeks, your hands won't gas out the same way ever again. Before you start, avoid these mistakes. 1. Don't train grip every day. 3 times a week max. 2. Don't go too heavy too fast. Grip strength is built over months. 3. Don't train grip before main lifts. Do it at the end. Follow this, and your grip will stop being the weak link. Ignore it, and it'll keep sabotaging everything else. That's how you build a superhuman grip.